Now, what started as a simple interaction with neighborhood kids turned into a viral reminder that for children, feeling safe begins with being noticed. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayaw has the report.
This video, shared by content creator Era Kabilangan from Concepcion, Tarlac, touched the heart of many online, with netizens praising her simple act of kindness toward children.
Ang nangyari po talaga is pure, authentic, organic, totoo. Hindi siya pilit at hindi siya for content lang. Kaya siguro naging viral kasi naramdaman ng tao yung totoong saya.
In her videos, neighborhood kids flock toward her home, not for giveaways but for something simpler: time, attention, and a place where they feel welcome.
Hindi ko po alam kung paano po nagsimula eh. Isang araw lang po talaga nung nasa tindahan ako, tinatawag po nila ako, and then nung lumabas ako, yun, sobrang saya nila. Doon ako nagsimulang nakipaglaro talaga sa kanila.
What started as a casual encounter turned into a daily play.
Tinitignan ko yung mga CCTVs. Ang cute, tinatawag po talaga nila ako. I think mas naging komportable sila kasi alam nila nakikita nila yung safe sila, and genuine yung pinapakita ko.
According to developmental and behavioral pediatrician Dr. Andrea Bagain, this connection is not coincidental.
Children are biologically wired to seek safety, and they are naturally drawn to adults who make them feel secure because safety is the foundation of healthy growth.
She explained that a safe space is not just a physical place, but an emotional experience.
In the Philippines, kasi we have this culture that bata ka pa, wala ka pa masyadong alam. Statements like this can sometimes unintentionally dismiss a child's feeling. So when children feel emotionally safe, their brain can now focus on learning, exploration, connection, and building confidence instead of protecting themselves all the time.
In a time when childhood is often rushed or spent on screens, Dr. Andrea emphasized that presence still matters most.
The fast pace that we have in this life, we have to be emotionally available. Sometimes the most powerful words are really, "I'm here, tell me more, I can listen." Because when the children feel heard, they feel safe. And when children feel safe, they thrive.
As the videos continue to circulate online, content creator Era turned it into a quiet reminder that for children, feeling safe starts with being seen. Kapatid Mobile Journal Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.